Refer to section 15 of the construction guide. Also refer to the cutting guide for dimensions for the leg crossbar. Please note that the leg crossbar will not keep your mattress in place, and it is not a replacement for the mattress strap. Also note, you will not be able to use a leg crossbar if your mattress is higher than 12 inches because the legs may not clear the rear of the bed cabinet when the bed is closed. In this video, we are going to cover the construction and installation of the optional leg crossbar between the two folding legs of the Murphy bed. The leg crossbar attaches to the bottom part of the legs using the 2 1/4 inch diameter holes as shown here. The leg crossbar can be constructed using round, square, or slightly rectangular wood stock. Metal tubing can also be used with a threaded rod in the middle. Steel nuts or acorn nuts can then be used to secure the leg crossbar to the legs. Here we are using maple stock cut from a strip of 1 by 2. 2 1/4 inch diameter or smaller round head wood screws will be required. Screws should be at least 2.5 inches long. An appropriate drill bit will also be required to drill into the crossbar. If you don't have a helper, you can use an appropriate stool under the bed frame to keep the bed frame off the floor as shown here. Raise the 2 folding legs. Place the crossbar on the mattress as shown here. Drill about 2 inches deep in the center of the leg crossbar. Repeat for the other side. Place the crossbar against the leg and insert the screw into the 1/4 inch hole. Drive the screw into the crossbar until it is snug. Repeat for the other side. The leg crossbar is now installed. Remove the stool from under the bed frame and fold down the legs using the crossbar as shown here. The leg crossbar is optional, however, it will make it easier and quicker to raise and lower the folding legs.